Hello po! Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay January 11, 2023, Miyerkules. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating featured news ay tungkol po sa Metro Pacific. Meron pong nagtatanong kahapon kung bakit po napakalaki ng akyat ng Metro Pacific. At meron po tayong balita dyan. Ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, nibinta ko po kayong mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto niyo pa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o may mga tanong tungkol sa wealth management, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. And get well soon to my cousin Murray. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 11, 2023, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Don't go away. Ang ating financial headlines ay galing po sa BDO-SEC. Medallia sees 25 to 50 basis points hike in February meeting. Actually, hike is maliit na lang, But I think and feel ko lang that inflation is easing already. So, maliit na lang po yung rate hike. Palagay ko 25 basis points na lang po yan. November trade deficit widens to 3.68 billion US dollars. ACEN signs EPC contract for Stubo project. Ito po yung Stubo Solar Farm sa Australia. Mamaya po, tignan po natin si ACEN. MER, SPBBC supply deals clear CSP. So MER said that the Solar Philippine Batangas Baseload Corp's bid to supply 200 megawatts was unchallenged for the second time during the competitive selection process. So, starting 2024, meron po siyang long-term agreement si SPBBC to supply 200 megawatts for 20 years at a fixed price of 4 pesos and 65 centavos per kilowatt hour. Ali amends reinvestment plan. This would have something to do with AREIT. So, ni-remove niya yung dalawang land acquisitions in Bulacan and Quezon City in exchange for land acquisition in Caloocan. As a result, the number of projects dropped to 6 from 7 previously as the company prioritizes ongoing projects and developments while optimizing expenditures. Okay, pero ang main news po natin ay ito. Metro Pacific shares extend gains on deal speculation. So, speculative pa lang to, So, yesterday, kung titingnan po natin ng Metro Pacific, tingnan natin si Metro Pacific, MPI. So, nagkaroon siya ng green engulfing candlestick yesterday. Pero, today ay red candlestick losing just 4 centavos, nasa 384 na po. Pero previous day, from an opening price of 361, umakyat po ito sa 388. So right now ay umakyat pa rin po ito. Yung high for today is 4 pesos and 8 centavos. But it went down probably because of profit taking to 384. So ito na po yung news, The Philippines Metro Pacific Investment Corp said on Wednesday that it has not entered into any definitive agreement with foreign investors after shares in the infrastructure conglomerate were boosted by market rumors of a potential deal. Metro Pacific shares rose by as much as 5% in early trade to reach the highest in nearly 14 months, extending a 7.8% surge on Tuesday. The share rally after speculation of the potential entry of a foreign investor or a plan to take the group private, said April Lee Tan, head of research at online brokerage firm Call Financial in Manila. After all, the stock is super cheap. Philippine website Billionaire reported on Tuesday that Japan Mitsui was interested in buying a stake of up to 20% in Metro Pacific. We meet with many interested investors with our current portfolio given our strong and stable performance, Metro Pacific said in a statement to Reuters, but we have not entered into a definitive agreement with anyone. Metro Pacific, which has interest in power, water, hospitals, and toll roads, is a unit of the First Pacific Company Limited, which is owned by Indonesian tycoon Antony Salim. Mitsui and Company spokesperson in Tokyo declined to comment on the reported deal. We are aware of the report, but we decline to comment. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news sa Metro Pacific. At yan po yung storya niya yesterday and today. So kahapon po, nagkaroon po because of the surge, nagkaroon ng overbought level po yung ating RSI to 2080 o 7080 overbought level na po. At ngayon po, nagkaroon ng another speculation. Nag-open po siya at 4 pesos and then reach a high of 4 pesos 8 centavos and then closed finally at 384. Okay, so nagre-reach na po siya ng kanyang level at tingnan po natin ang target price po ng BDO-SEC sa Metro Pacific is 6 pesos. So it's ngayon is about a 55% upside based on the 6 peso target price and yesterday's target price of 88. Yan po ang kwento ni Metro Pacific. Okay, so let's read some comments here. Fernando Dumok, hi sir. We were asking earlier why MPI is surging. I guess the catalyst is this. MPI formed a PHP 2 billion joint venture company with LR Group of Israel to engage in dairy production business. Yeah, but that was several weeks or months ago. And na-disclose na po yan. So I think mas recent itong sinabi ni April Lita na a potential entry of a foreign investor, Mitsui. Yun yung ine-speculate po nila. Sabi po ni Danielo Daguna requesting for analysis of JFC, SPNEC, ACEN, Home, LTG, and SECB. Okay po, gawin po natin yan. And then, NGA Junior sa LTG Dividend 2022, 15 centavos, April 12. I saw this already, and yes, you are correct. Dalawa po ang dividend na binigay noong April 12, isang regular na 15 centavos and a special of 15 centavos for a total of 30 centavos. Total dividend for the year is 1 peso 40 centavos. Kaya po what I did was to update the video, making LTG the number 1 stock in terms of dividend yield. Ang dividend yield net of tax niya is now at 13.70% with the total dividends for 2022 at 140. So LTG is number 1, Semiraras number 2, and TEL is number 3. So tingnan niyo po yung updated video ko po na in-upload ko lang po kanina. Okay, maraming po salamat sa inyo, NGA Junior. Okay, so let's now go to the Philippine Stock Exchange and the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. So pinakita ko na po yung Metro Pacific. So tignan naman po natin ang ating index. It fell 47.35 points. Nasa 6709.34 or 0.70% down. Let's put up our indicators. Oops, bullish pa rin po siya. Market activity, 101 ang bumaba, 89 ang umbante, at 48 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index ay bumaba rin ng 0.56%, samantalang ang sectoral indices ay halo. Ang financials, holding companies, properties at services ay bumaba. Pinangunahan po ang pagbaba ng financials at 1.53%, samantalang ang industrials at mining ay umakyat, pero ito'y bahagya lamang na 0.38% at 0.28% respectively. Sa most active stocks, ang pinaka-aktibong stocks ay SN, followed by ICT, then Globe, BDO, TEL, and Metro Pacific. Lahat po ay bumaba. Pinangunahan po ng Globe at 2.55 sa most active. Samantalang, ang M-wide ay umakyat ng 9.51%. Balay is 6.45%. Monde at 5.37%. At ang bumaba naman ay iba-iba po ito. All HC 4.46, ACEN muna at 3.37 and Mary Mart at 3.76. Pero tingnan po natin si JFC, SPNEC, ACEN, Home, LTG at SECB. Unahin po natin si Jollibee, JFC. Doji or shooting star. Did you call this a shooting star? Anyway, mahaba po yung kanyang tail, pero green candlestick. Tingnan nga natin anong tawag dyan. Ang indicator po natin ay bullish pa rin. Ang RSI ay nasa 55.05. Meron po siyang 3 engulfing candlesticks dito. Pero pagkatapos po nun ay nagkaroon ng consolidation. Pero hindi naman po ito breakout, dahil kulang po sa volume or within the average volume lang po. Ito lang po ay mukhang red engulfing, pero yung nagkakaroon ng maliit na recovery po dito si Jollibee. Ang support ni Jollibee ay nandito po, pinakamalapit na sa 230. At ang pinaka-resistance nasa 247 to 248. So near support or near resistance level na po ito. And then, ang RSI po niya ay nasa 55.05. Tignan natin ang fundamentals ni Jollibee. Si Jollibee, meron po siyang Jollibee Foods, may buy rating po with a target price of 290 or about a 20% upside. So, it's bullish to sideways ang kanyang movement. Okay, next we have SPNEC. Si SPNEC, moving sideways din po to, but it's moving upwards on a short to medium term. Dahil dito, nagsimula siyang umakyat, almost touching the oversold levels at 30.15 noong December 16. Pagkatapos po ay dahan-dahan na po siyang umaakyat at yung short to medium term indicator ay nasa ilalim na po and it's slowly moving upwards. Ang hindi lang po niya na-reach ay yung long-term indicator na nasa ibabaw po. Ang support level nandito po sa 1 peso 7 centavos, samantalang ang resistance level, let's draw a 1 week. Natin yung 1 week. Ang 1 week niya is very near this level here. Balik natin sa day. So, yung 100-day moving average po natin serves as the resistance level. Nasa 131. So, 100 days dito is 131. Yeah. So, just moving sideways, pero above the midpoint na po ang RSI at 58.28, meaning umaakyat po ang SP New Energy Corporation. And then ACEN. May property dividend si Ayala Corporation. Ang property na ibibigay niya is a stock called ACEN. Yan po. So si ACEN ay bullish na siya pero nagta-turn bearish. Tingnan natin kasi ang balita po kay ACEN is that ACEN signs EPC contract for Stubo project. PCL construction for the development of the Stubo solar farm in Australia. So that should be good news, Pero I think market sentiment is pulling it down, and probably because of the property dividend of Ayala, no? Tingnan natin si Ayala. Si Ayala, wala rin stock dividends to eh. But Ayala had property dividends eh. So yung news niya kahapon was about the property dividend. Ito, hindi nyo nakikita. So sabi niya dito, as fixed by the management of Ayala Corporation pursuant to its board delegated authority, the payment date for the property dividend is January 9, yesterday. For the stockbrokers who had not been issued a CAR, certificate authorizing registration po yung CAR, by the BIR for the payment of the property dividend the 5th business day following their submission of a CAR to AC. The distribution procedure as earlier disseminated will be observed accordingly. Kasi ang property dividend, for every 1 share of Ayala Corporation, you are entitled to 3 shares of ACEN. Ganun po yung property dividends na ibibigay niya. Yan, 3 ACEN shares for 1 AC common share. Yun po yung bibigay na property dividend. So, balik po tayo sa ACEN. So, bale, ang nangyayari dito ay bumababa po yung kanyang presyo and successive po ang baba, no? Tingnan natin kung merong ibang news si ACEN dito. Loan agreement with BDO Unibank 10 billion term loan. Na-award po siya ng the engineering, procurement, and construction contract for the construction of the Stubo Solar Project to PCL Construction. So this should be good news, no? In the meantime, ang pinaka-support niya ay support area na po ito. Yan, 7 pesos ang support area niya. Ang pinaka-resistance area po itong level na ito, 850. Pinaka-resistance level po niya. So it's turning bearish, no? From an overbought level here nung January 4, turning bearish po siya at the RSI is at 4173, which is moving downwards yung ating stock. But fundamentally, ACEN is good, no? Kasi yung kanyang target price per BDO SEC, AC Energy has a buy rating and a target price of 880 or about a 21% upside. Okay, next we have Home. Si Home, bearish po si Home. All Home Corp. Pero mukhang na siya, mukhang nag-bottom out na po siya. And this area here is probably consolidation, no? Pero bullish na po siya. Kasi for a long time, it was oversold without much volume. Ngayon lang po siya nagka-volume dito. November. Above average po yung mga volume siya nung November. Tapos dito nagkaroon po ng volume, another volume, so umaakyat na po yung stock. But lately, ay mukhang nagpo-profit taking lang po ito or nagko-consolidate. Ito po yung consolidation niya for the past 2 days. But on the short and medium term, ito po ay umaakyat or trending upwards. So ang kanyang level here, umabot po siya ng 68.82 yung kanyang RSI, pero hindi po nag-overbought. So, ngayon, nasa 58.49, which means that the stock is still bullish. And our moving averages, short and medium term, is also bullish, except that the long term is that nasa itaas pa po, trending downwards pa po siya. And then, let's take a look at LTG. Oh, LTG, umaakyat siya ha. LTG. Yan, umaakyat po si LTG. And it's already overbought. So, dahan-dahan po ang akyat ni LTG. And at this point here, dito po, starting December 9, nagkaroon po ng red candlestick pero nag-consolidate lang po siya dito eh. Pagkatapos, tumuloy yung kanyang akyat. Tingnan natin yung target price niya. Ang target price mo ni LTG. LT Group has a buy rating. Target price is 11. So maliit na lang po ang upside. About a 14% upside na lang po ito. Pero paakyat po ang stock ha. LTG kasi upon recomputation, ang kanyang dividend yield net of tax for 2022 is 13.70%. It is the highest among the index stocks. Yan po si LTG. So balik po tayo. Hindi niyo pala nakikita yung file ko. Sorry po. Ako lang pala nakakita nun. Okay, so bullish po ang dating ni LTG sa akin. Tingnan natin yung weekly chart niya. Okay, so ang pinaka-resistance po ni LTG. Actually, nandito po, no? May resistance level na po dito. Pero the next higher, nandito po sa area to. Nasa 10.56. Pero per BTO SEC, LTG ay target price 11 pesos. So, malapit na po niyang ma-reach. Yung pinaka-resistance po niya is the target price, about the target price. Okay. So, naging 30 centavos na po ito. Kinorek na po ni Investograms yung kanyang cash dividends kasi na-point out ko po yun. Na-point out po ni NGA Junior, no? So, in-update na po ni Investograms. Hindi na po 15 centavos. Okay. So, yan po. Ang pinaka-target price po is 10.56 or almost 11, which is our resistance point. And right now, on the short and medium term, ito po ay bullish. Paakyat po si LTG. Okay, next we have, balik natin sa 1 day, SECB. SECB ay, just about moving sideways, no? Kasi parang roller coaster po ang dating sa akin dito. And I see the support here, somewhere here. 87.67 po ang pinaka-support niya. Pinaka-resistance po, let's do a 1 week chart. So somewhere here, resistance level po ito. Yeah, 95. So near resistance na po ito or resistance level na rin po ito. Itong 95. Yan po. At yan po yung pinaka-support level. And it's bullish to sideways po ang kanyang movement with RSI bullish at 53.19. So here, nag-overbought si SECB, pero after dipping, ay just moving sideways. Ang fundamentals po ni SECB, tingnan natin si Security Bank. Security Bank Corporation has a buy rating with a target price of 134 or about a 44% upside based on yesterday's prices. So that's SECB. It's bullish to sideways. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-11 ng Enero. Ito po si Benji Chitoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsabaybay. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.